Project management is key for online businesses to succeed in a fast paced digital world. By applying effective strategies, businesses can ensure their projects run smoothly and meet their goals. This video will explore essential project management techniques that can help online businesses thrive. So, here are the key takeaways on this video. Number 1. Clearly define project goals to guide your team. Number 2. Use tools for team communication to keep everyone informed. Number 3. Set achievable deadlines to keep projects on track. Number 4. Regularly check for risks and have backup plans ready. Number 5. Listen to customer feedback to improve the project. So the first step is understanding the core principles of project management. In our journey through project management, we must first grasp the core principles that guide our efforts. These principles help us navigate the ever-changing landscape of managing projects effectively. Here are some key areas we should focus on. So how will you define your project goals and objectives? Number 1. Clearly outline what we want to achieve. Number 2. Make sure everyone on the team understands these goals. And number 3. Regularly revisit and adjust goals as needed. Next is establishing clear communication channels. Number 1. Set up regular meetings to discuss progress. Number 2. Use tools that allow for easy sharing of information. Number 3. Encourage open dialogue among team members. Another important thing in this step is setting realistic timelines and milestones. So how will you do that? Number 1. Break the project into smaller tasks with specific deadlines. Number 2. Ensure that timelines are achievable to avoid stress. And number 3. Celebrate milestones to keep the team motivated. In summary, understanding these core principles is essential for our success in project management. They guide us in defining our goals, communicating effectively, and setting realistic timelines, which are all crucial for achieving our project objectives. The second step is to leverage technology for effective project management. In today's fast-paced world, we must embrace technology to enhance our project management efforts. By utilizing the right tools, we can streamline our processes and improve collaboration among team members. So number 1, utilizing project management software. Using project management software is essential for keeping our projects organized. These tools help us track tasks, deadlines, and resources efficiently. Some popular options include Trello, Asana, and Monday.com. These platforms allow us to visualize our projects and ensure everyone is on the same page. Number 2, implementing collaboration tools. To foster teamwork, we should implement collaboration tools that enable real-time communication. Tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams help us stay connected, share ideas, and solve problems quickly. Effective communication is key to project success. And number 3, automating routine tasks. Automation can save us a lot of time. By automating routine tasks, we can focus on more important aspects of our projects. For instance, we can set up automated reminders for deadlines or use tools to generate reports. This not only boosts our productivity, but also reduces the chances of errors. In conclusion, using technology effectively can lead to significant improvements in our project management processes. We should always look for new tools and methods to help us work smarter, not harder. Remember, the right technology can help us hire the best Filipino employees and virtual assistants the Philippines has to offer. The third step is building a strong project team. So how will you identify the key roles and responsibilities? In any project, it's crucial for us to clearly define who does what. By identifying key roles, we can ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities. This helps in avoiding confusion and keeps the project on track. Here are some roles we should consider. Number 1, project manager. They oversee the project and ensures everything runs smoothly. Number 2, team members. They carry out specific tasks based on their skills. And number 3, stakeholders. They provide input and feedback throughout the project. Now, how will you foster a collaborative environment? Creating a collaborative environment is essential for our team's success. When we work together, we can share ideas and solve problems more effectively. Here are some ways to foster collaboration. Number 1, encourage open communication among team members. Number 2, use tools that allow for easy sharing of information. And number 3, hold regular meetings to discuss progress and challenges. Next is providing ongoing training and support. To keep our team strong, we must invest in ongoing training and support. This ensures that everyone is up to date with the latest skills and knowledge. Here are some training options we can consider. Number 1, workshops on new tools and techniques. Number 2, online courses for skill enhancement. And number 3, mentorship programs for personal growth. Fourth step is risk management strategies for online businesses. So, how will you identify potential risks early? In our journey, we must always be on the lookout for potential risks that could affect our projects. By identifying these risks early, we can take steps to prevent them from becoming bigger problems. Here are some common risks we should consider. Number 1, technical issues, problems with software or hardware. Number 2, market changes, shifts in customer preferences or competition. And number 3, resource limitations, not having enough time, money, or people. So once we know what risks we might face, we need to create plans to deal with them. Having a backup plan is crucial. Here's how we can develop effective contingency plans. Number 1, list the risks we identified. Number 2, decide what actions we will take if each risk happens. And number 3, assign team members to be responsible for these actions. Risk management is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. We should regularly check in on our projects to see if any new risks have appeared or if existing ones have changed. Here are some ways to keep track. Number 1, hold regular team meetings to discuss risks. Number 2, use project management tools to monitor progress. And number 3, adjust our plans as needed to address new challenges. In summary, understanding and managing risks is essential for our success. By identifying risks early, creating backup plans, and continuously monitoring our projects, we can ensure that we are ready for whatever comes our way. This approach not only helps us avoid problems, but also supports maximizing business efficiency in our online ventures. Fifth step is measuring and analyzing project performance. In our journey to ensure project success, we must focus on how we measure and analyze our performance. Understanding our progress is key to making informed decisions. Here are some essential steps we can take. Number 1, setting key performance indicators or KPIs. In order to do this, you have to identify what success looks like for a project, choose specific metrics that reflect our goal, and regularly review these indicators to track our progress. Number 2, using data analytics for insights. You have to collect data from various sources to understand trends, analyze this data to find areas for improvement, use insights to adjust our strategies and enhance outcomes. Number 3, adjusting strategies based on performance metrics. If we notice something isn't working, we need to be flexible, make changes based on what the data tells us, and keep our team informed about any adjustments to stay aligned. In summary, measuring and analyzing our project performance is crucial. It allows us to make necessary adjustments and keep our projects on track, ensuring we meet our objectives and satisfy our clients. We should always remember the importance of data-driven decisions in our project management journey. Another important step is ensuring customer satisfaction throughout the project. So, how will you do that? Number 1, gathering customer feedback regularly. To keep our customers happy, we need to ask for their opinions often. Regular feedback helps us understand what they like and what we can improve. Here are some ways we can gather feedback. First is surveys. Short surveys can be sent out after key project milestones. Second, interviews. Talking directly with customers can provide deeper insights. And third, feedback forms. Simple forms on our website can encourage quick responses. Number 2, incorporating feedback into project plans. Once we have feedback, it's important to use it. We can review the feedback with our team, make necessary changes to our project plan, and communicate these changes to our customers, showing them we value their input. And lastly, maintaining transparent communication with clients. Clear communication is key to keeping our customers satisfied. We should: Number 1, update clients regularly on project progress. Number 2, be honest about any challenges we face. And number 3, encourage questions and be ready to answer them. In summary, ensuring customer satisfaction throughout the project involves gathering feedback, making adjustments based on that feedback, and maintaining open lines of communication. This approach not only helps us meet customer expectations, but also strengthens our relationships with them. Building customer loyalty is essential for our long-term success. And the last step in this guide is sustaining long-term success in online business projects. To ensure our projects thrive over time, we must focus on a few key strategies. Continuously improving our processes is essential. This means we should always look for ways to do things better and more efficiently. Here are some important steps we can take. Step 1, continuously improving processes. You can do this by number 1, regularly review our workflows to find areas for improvement. Number 2, encourage team members to share their ideas for better practices. Number 3, implement feedback from past projects to enhance future ones. Step 2, adapting to market changes. The online business world is always changing. We need to stay flexible and ready to adjust our strategies. This can include number 1, keeping an eye on industry trends. Number 2, being open to new technologies that can help us. And number 3, listening to our customers and adapting to their needs. Step 3, building long-term relationships with stakeholders. Strong relationships are key to our success. We should number 1, communicate regularly with our stakeholders. Number 2, show appreciation for their support and input. Number 3, involve them in our decision-making processes. In summary, we must be proactive in improving our processes, adaptable to changes, and committed to nurturing our relationships. This approach will help us achieve our goals and keep our projects successful for years to come. To achieve lasting success in your online business, it's essential to stay focused and adapt to changes. By utilizing the right tools and resources, you can streamline your operations and enhance productivity. Don't wait any longer. Visit our website to discover how we can help you thrive in the digital marketplace. In conclusion, effective project management is key for online businesses to thrive. By using the right strategies like clear planning, good communication, and smart use of tools, you can keep your projects on track. Remember, every project is a chance to learn and improve. Stay flexible and ready to adapt as things change. With these tips, you can boost your chances of success and make your online business stand out. So before I end this video, here are some of the questions I usually get. Number 1, what is project management? Project management is the process of planning, organizing, and managing resources to complete a specific goal or task. It helps teams work together effectively to get things done. Number 2, why is communication important in project management? Good communication is key in project management because it helps everyone understand their roles and what needs to be done. It also keeps everyone on the same page and prevents misunderstandings. Number 3, how can technology help with project management? Technology can make project management easier by providing tools for planning, tracking progress, and collaborating with team members. This can save time and help teams work more efficiently. Number 4, what should I do if a project is falling behind schedule? If a project is behind schedule, it's important to analyze why it's happening. You can then adjust the timeline, assign more resources, or change priorities to get back on track. Number 5, how can I ensure my team is working well together? To ensure your team works well together, encourage open communication, set clear goals, and create a positive environment where everyone feels valued and supported. Number 6, what are the signs of a successful project? A successful project meets its goals on time and within budget. It also satisfies the needs of customers and stakeholders, and the team feels proud of their work. Tell us about your experience with a Filipino virtual assistant. Feel free to drop us a message in the comments. In the description below, you will find a link to our favorite job board, onlinejobs.ph. I hope this is helpful. See you in the next video.